Hello everyone! Here you can see the location of our beds in the van. And let's see how we did it. There you can see the raw Ivar sections before the final cut. We put them together and painted. Important tip: the lowest holes on the side units must be the same distance from beneath, otherwise the shelves are not gonna be on the same level. During the installation, always use the shelves, otherwise they slide apart. We cut a 180 cm board and drilled a metal rail on it. And the 160 boards comes from my son's bed. There is the 4 bed legs. Unfortunately, I don't have pictures, but I'm trying to show how I did. I made a really cool bed frame outside the van, but I couldn't put them together inside because there was no room for the process. So be careful and always make sure you can do the process inside and outside the van. Be careful, the memory foam is getting harder below 15 Celsius degree. And this is the junction from outside and from inside. And finally, the heavy-duty drawer. I really don't know how to build a drawer, so I just put 2 Ivar drawers together. And the installation of the heavy-duty drawer slides with lock. There were no room for the lock, so we had to make it. Those 4 panels are the original parts of the Ivar drawers. As I mentioned, always use the shelves during the installation. I'm still not sure what else I should do with this part, but definitely needs to do something. For example, I don't know, converting for table, I will see. But if you have any idea, just let me know. We create a kind of frame there, just to make sure everything stays in its place. On the other side, there is 2 Ivar sections, and the bed frame is sitting on them, one side and the other side. I was thinking of the second bed for more than 1 year, and finally this is the result. If you have any idea, just let me know, because I already gave up. I hope this can give you some ideas on your van build. Thank you for watching and good luck!